everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Mrs. Alvarez, your art teacher, and today I have an amazing project for you guys, and it's inspired by the artist Maurice Graves and his painting Shore Birds. Please check the description below so you know what materials you're going to need for this project. This project is great for all my first graders and kindergartner students. We started creating these fun shapes. So we have one triangle, more looking like a Dorito. Then we have an egg shape, and now we're making an oval. Now you're going to pick your favorite color for this part. I'm picking blue, and we're going to create an S shape on the triangular shape. We're going to color one half, and the other half we're going to leave it white. On the white space, we're going to make a couple lines to create a little pattern. We're going to repeat this step one more time on our next shape. For our oval, we're just going to divide it in half. And let's color them. Now let's create the line patterns. And with your black coloring material, we're going to create the eyes of the birds. Let's get ready to cut our shapes. Having your shapes all ready to glue, we're going to bring a yellow paper. I pick yellow because it resembles more like a sand color, and we're going to glue our three birds into this paper. Let's make sure that they are glued all the way. Let's add the details to our birds. So we're going to start making a triangular shape to make the beaks, and with a little dot to represent the little nostrils. We're going to do the tails for the birds, and we're going to complete them by adding feet to them. When you're done with your details, all what we have to do is just to add color. So since I picked blue for my birds, I will complete the tail using blue, and I'm using a red orange for the feet. we're so close of being done, so let's make a squiggly line that's going to represent our water. And for this step, please use crayons or colored pencils to blend the colors better instead of using markers. Wow, isn't it amazing? So all what you have to do left, and this is optional, is to add the glitter glue so that way the water look like it has movement. Well, if my glitter glue works right now. And then that's it. That's all what you have to do. So the water look like it's moving and it has waves. And yeah, you can be creative. You can create like seashells, starfish, whatever you want. It's your project and you're the artist. Invite your friends to make art projects with you and with me. And if you like this video, please give it those thumbs up. And I'll see you guys next art class. Bye!